It's kind of funny. I'm a East Coast boarding school product, so a lot of times I look at HPA compared to an East Coast boarding school. And one fun fact is that most of the directors of admissions at colleges want Hawaii as their territory. Surprise, surprise. So they come, and Cindy and I have known some of these folks for 20 plus years. They love Hawaii, they love Hawaii students. And so, by virtue of graduating from a school in Hawaii, there's a lot of things that colleges assume that the student is going to bring to their university, and it's value added. So, kids from Hawaii tend to really care about community. They really want to be part of the life of their school. If they're from here, or if they've been a boarding student here for 4 years, they've developed a lot of Hawaiian values like aloha and many virtues of Hawaii. And those things are a premium at colleges. So when they come into the dormitories, they can be the glue. They connect kids from different backgrounds. And the directors of admissions know that those Hawaii kids are going to bring that. So I think that that's one of the most important things. If you're from Hawaii, or you're living here, or you're a transplant, part of it is the fact that you're a Hawaii product. And I think that that's big for colleges. Um, I think a lot of other things might just be similar to boarding schools everywhere. The students are independent. They've taken APs and honors classes, so they're academically prepared. Our kids tend to stick. So when they go to a college, they've done their research, they visited the schools, and usually they stay at that school and graduate. So colleges track that information, and HPA students tend to stay at their school and graduate. And colleges want, to see that in their students.
If I was going to add to that, I would say that I truly feel like there's an authenticity to the applications that our students put out that stands out in the college admissions process. Our students are really excellent in what they do, but I think they've managed to do it in a way that's really true to who they are and what they enjoy. Whether it's creating a cafe or doing logos for the local cucumber farm, right? I mean, the kids kind of find something that brings them joy. They dig into it deeply. And then it doesn't have to be, high school doesn't have to be all about college. Our kids get that. They still enjoy being high school students, do wonderful things that bring them joy, and still get excellent results in college. And I think it's because the colleges can really feel that they're connected to their learning, they're connected to their communities, they're connected to their teachers, and they're going to bring those same qualities when they go off to college. These are kids that love talking to teachers. They're going to seek out their professors and want to have relationships. And I think because HP is small and very nurturing, the students learn gently how to self-advocate for themselves, how to go in and ask for what they need, to build relationships with teachers. And those qualities, I think, really carry over into college. And they're those kids that are going to go and continue those relationships, seek out opportunities for research, go beyond the classroom to use their learning to engage in communities. And so to me, those are the qualities about an HPA student, that their learning is an authentic part of who they are, and they connect that learning journey to their personal qualities, and gives them purpose in what they're doing. And I think that comes through in their applications. A term that keeps coming to my mind is this idea of healthy excellence. Like, I think our students really know how to seek excellence in a way that also honors who they are and what makes them happy, and then also allows them to have balance in other parts of their lives. I love that our students care really deeply about what they're doing. They invest themselves fully, but also know to listen to others and celebrate others and listen to themselves, and kind of find that balance as they move through the world. And I love that about the HPA student.